In this video, we're going to show you how to add the LED light to the bottom. So you have two options. You can take the LED light and just put it right through and get it to the right spot that you wish to get to. So you don't need to push it all the way in, just enough so that it feels like it's being held, and you should see it pretty steady. Now if you want to change the batteries, recommended way to do it is you'll notice there's a lock and unlock. So move the unlock into position and take this off. So now you can see it's completely taken out of it. So best thing is to hold it right there, and then you can take out the battery compartment area this way, or if you wanted to remove it, basically just push the light back out. So you can just put it back in also until it feels just about right, and then basically like that, and then go towards the lock, and there you have it.